So I want to talk to you about this nice chair I received within a couple days in the mail. It's fantastic. It's a nice high quality chair, as you can see here, with metal steel legs, which is really nice. Very comfortable. They come in different colors. I really like this quite a bit. It really looks great in my kitchen. I'll show you how to put it together. This is how it comes. Basically 2 in a box. Very simple to assemble. Not complicated whatsoever. Just take off the wrapping around the legs. Just get it ready. Take off the bubble wrap off the chair. It does come with a stabilizer bar right in the middle there. That's just to keep everything tight and secure. So simple to put together. You can see here, you just put these 2 pieces together. Really easy. Comes with all the screws. Instructions are super easy. You just basically use your little Allen wrench there and you just tighten them up. That's all you have. That's the first step. Really easy. Just make sure they're tight. Don't over tighten them. Don't go crazy. Just make sure they're nice and snug. Second step is to just do the sidebar. Okay, that bar, the stabilizer bar, basically keeps everything tight and controlled. Really important. So just get that in not too tight. And you can see the front and the back here. So make sure the chair faces toward the front. That's easy enough to understand. And then there's basically 4 screws, and that's it. You just put those 4 screws in the bottom. Again, don't over tighten everything. Keep everything easy and just crank them till they're nice and snug, not over tighten. Then you're going to see at the end here how it looks in my kitchen. I absolutely love them. I got 4 of them. I definitely recommend these chairs. They're super comfortable, super sturdy, and I definitely love them. Look at how they look. They're just so cool and nice and just really, really comfortable.